درفي بعلي سيدك عديدك إرأي بلي حزو لحزو أتخبر وينك درفي بعلي
Thank you so much. You're the icing on the cake. Oh, thank you. So delicious. Oh, this is what. Beautiful wine.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our new restaurant, and I'm glad to have you here. And when we started this restaurant, we want to serve our community. And to make it a hub for our community. So, family restaurant where they can bring their children, their friends. When people want to meet, they are welcome to meet here. And thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. It's fun working with all of you guys. And I hope to work more with you guys to help and benefit our community. And I give credit for everything to my wife, Azmera. She's the one. So let's start eating.
لك تاريخ تكتهم جكنو حتى عدكم بقصوم زيدنو أبايكم يدفن ترفقنو ساسن لا يشحن وارتاكنو أيمانون أيمانوني سلك عدل يا أيمانون 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 سلك عدل يا أيمانوني أيمانون أيمانوني سلك عدل يا أيمانون لا 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 يا لا يا لا يا أبي زر إزته مرتب بقلاب أغلى ما بعمر زي بلاب نريم زوادقون مسلو بحد سميرة ودم والو من تعلى ما شخف كشوف أبحث ما عادي
Thanks for having us today, and this is a wonderful restaurant for it to have it in the community, and the food is so delicious. And by the way, food is halal, everybody. This food is halal, amazing food. I mean, taste is over the world. I mean, I really liked it. I mean, today was great, and let's please support our brother in the community. And the restaurant is MLK in Morgan, South Morgan. Yes. Please show up. I'm Suad, by the way.
Hi, my name is Mergitu. I'm the Community Engagement Specialist with the Seattle Police Commission. I'm glad to see Michael Neguse opening this restaurant. He served this community for over 30 years. So having this in the center of Seattle is the best thing. Like my brother said, we need this where we can come and you can come and have a meeting here, or they do catering, order, and support our small business. Thank you.
And lunch hours too.
This is really great traditional East African food, and the community come here and really clean, really nice.
Felicia Cross, and I'm the Director of Community Engagement for the Seattle Community Police Commission. Michael, I just want to congratulate you and your wife on this beautiful business you have. The food was delicious. I am so full right now, and I look forward to coming back again, and I'm really, really proud and happy for you guys.
Yes, likewise. My name is Joe Nathan. This is my boss. I also work with the Community Police Commission as an engagement specialist. This is my first time here, and it won't be my last. Yes, Michael and your wife, you are a lovely couple. The energy that you share, the food that you share, I can't wait to tell everybody about it. I can't wait to support you. We'll even have some more meetings here too. So thank you for the time. Thank you for the opportunity to come meet you and enjoy your space. Yeah.
I'm Susan Davis, South End Community Organizer. I'm a consulting business. I've known Michael for a long time. from his work with the Seattle Neighborhood Group, and it's really wonderful to be here at the restaurant. Delicious food. I'm taking some home with me.
Yeah. Nice. Thank you again. We appreciate
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
زبلو سكر بحري أبعد زلو دك تغري هاجر تماريتهم هاجر شمري أي مانون أي مانوني أنا زعدي أي مانون أين مانون أين مانون أنا زعدي أين مانون.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Runta News channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.